Hello family, today we're going to make Rocky Road cookies. Let's do this. Okay, we've got 2 cups of butter and I cubed it and it's kept it in the fridge to keep it cold. It's going to be hard to mix, but it'll help the cookies. Oven is on 400 and I've got parchment paper on my cookie sheets. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and this is optional, 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee. Now I'm going to beat this on medium speed until it becomes light and fluffy. Let's give these a little squish here. Break up the cubes a little bit here. Okay, that took a little while, but you can chill the dough if you want, but this was easier for me. Less time. I'm going to get my scraper here. Yeah, we got it. Good. It's light and fluffy, all right. Okay. Now, I'm going to blend in. I got to get the eggs. I've got 1 whole egg. I'm going to blend that on low. Now I got 2 egg yolks and I'm going to okay, now I'm going to add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, now we're done with the mixer. The rest of it we do by hand. Okay, I'm going to set this aside a minute. I got a separate bowl, and to this I'm going to add, I've got what it is, 2.5 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and I ran out of those little bowls, so 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to whisk this all together. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. A little at a time here. Okay, now I'm gonna, and you don't want to do, you know, really hard. I'm just gonna mix it until it's like half mixed here. Not completely. Okay, now I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips, and 1/2 cup of marshmallows. Okay, now I can mix it until I can't see any flour. You see there's a little bit, you can see a little bit of flour. So we just want to mix that in. And you can add walnuts. The recipe called for nuts, walnuts, but my husband will not eat nuts, so. And I don't even know if he'll eat this, but we'll try it. I'm pretty sure my girlfriend will, so. Usually I end up having a few myself and then giving the rest away. which is okay. That's just helping others. See, if you were my neighbor or something, then you would be getting leftovers. I'm going to have to see if my neighbor, if she wants some of these cookies. Now that it's summertime, I can walk to the fence. In the wintertime, I can't get to her fence, so with the snow. Just going to use my hands here just to make sure that all the flour's off the bottom. Sometimes it gets trapped in the bottom there. Make sure it's all well mixed. Okay, we're good here. Okay, now I'm going to put it on the cookie sheet and about 2 inches apart, but I have to see. I have my scale here because I only want I want 3-inch balls, so I have to weigh this to see. Okay, we got like 2.5, so that's what we're going to go with. Okay, now we're going to, now that I know what the size are, I don't have to use that thing. I can just go by. I'm going to put this dough in the fridge while in between making them. So okay, now these are going to go in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes, just until the top is no longer looks wet. Okay, we'll see you when we get back out of the oven. Okay, now these do not look wet on the top. So now what we're going to do here is I'm going to take just going to press in a few of these. Take some chocolate chips, press in a few of those. Just, make it special. Okay, now we're going to leave this sit for 10 minutes before we put them on a rack. Okay, these have been sitting for 10 minutes. I'm going to transfer these onto I don't use a wire rack. I just put it on aluminum foil. So and then we'll put the next batch in. You ready for these? Take one. Go ahead, grab one. I had to put the plate down so we can try one. All right. Let's break it. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Almost like a s'mores. Oh, these are good. You have to make these. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.